think that you're making profit. You find that you're not making profit at all. So you find that you're having funding, you're putting in money from other businesses, because you're not differentiating them. You don't have a proper count where you're tracking what you're putting into the production of this particular product. At the end of it all, even the pricing is wrong. So the pricing does not reflect the cost of production. And at the end of it all, you find that the profit margin. Now, this program is really interesting. It is really good because it will show you the profit margin of every product or of your business, and then you will look at other costs that you're supposed to be meeting. For example, for some who are using power, you're using water, you have to pay the employees. Even you yourself, you find that in some businesses, business owners are not paying themselves, but you're working. So that's why you end up mixing up money. But this program comes in, this software, it really organizes you. You know the cash you have at hand, you know the cash you have at bank, you know what is in operation, and you know the worth of your business. So you can plan and know that I want to move to this level. You know that your business is worth this amount of money. You plan and know that maybe in the next 1 year, I would like to be at this level, and you work towards that. And this program is rightfully here to help you to get there. Yeah, I think most of the things have really been talked about. Now, personally, I can also testify that on the side of taxes, you find you're stressed for nothing. Now, if you have proper records of the profitability of your business, which this software is doing very, very well. Now, you're not even scared about the taxes, because when the taxman comes in, that is URA, you will declare your records. The records are there. You know the profit that you're making. So you cannot be taxed on what you have not made. Yeah. Yet this is one of the biggest challenges, where you find that because you don't have a record, you don't have something, you don't have evidence. So URA will come in and just tax you on assumption. They just make an assumption and they tax you. But now we are better placed. Then another thing is that this program really helps you to get even funding, because your records are in order. Recently, actually, as I speak, we have a program tomorrow, which is where they are looking at funding women in business. Now, because of this program, I am able to stand up and declare the performance of my business. So it somehow prepares you. And even when you walk to the bank with these records, it is such an advantage. Now, for those of us who have groups, like in families, there are some families which are organized and they mobilize for funding. When you come with such a clear record of the performance of your business, you can clearly track every expense. You can clearly track every profit that you've made and show where it has been invested or what you've used it for. Then it is easy to convince someone to give you the money that you need to move your business to another level. I think for now, that is what I can share, but really the advantages are so much. In short, this accounting software puts you in order. It organizes you to understand your business inside out. And then for business owners, there is a tendency for most of us not to understand the financial statements of our businesses. Yet, this is really very key. When you understand this, it helps you. The employees can no longer play around with you and give you wrong information, because you know that this is the cost that I need to put in for my business. Now, the fuel, for example, if they are going in the field, when you're keeping your record, because this software will demand that you keep a record. It will help you if you've been lazy. You'll have to do it. So when you do that, you will be able to track the costs, and you find that if, for example, this month, you have been meeting a cost of, let's say, 600,000 on fuel, and you have distributed this much, or you have sold this much. So this is the profit. Now, if you're keeping record for a period of 3-4 months, someone cannot come out of the blue and tell you that this month they have used fuel of 1.5 million, yet the sales have not changed, or the profit has not changed. So I really encourage everyone in business, if this opportunity is granted, that you really receive it, because it is very helpful and it is going to take you to another level. Yeah, thank you so much, Philip.
Thank you so much, Mia. But before I let you go, is there anyone with a question from the audience? I think we're well versed now. Okay, Mia, I have to let you go. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I thought that you'll speak also in the local language, but it's fine.
Yeah, sure. Abanyambara nabaramusia, all the best.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Bye-bye for now.
Okay, you've heard it from her. The next item is to have breakfast. And after breakfast, it's okay to interact and mingle, but otherwise, during breakfast, when you get your breakfast,